How to view your own item in listing of Facebook Marketplace. In this video, I will show you how can you easily view your own item in the listing of Facebook Marketplace. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Facebook application and go to Marketplace. If you don't see the option at the top menu, click on the three lines at the top right corner and then you will see the option of Marketplace. Simply click on it. After that, you will see list of items that you can buy. So for you to see your own item in the listing, you simply need to choose the option of sell at the top left corner. Once you click on the sell option, choose the item for which you want to create a listing. So I chose item option here, and now you need to simply fill this application. This application contains the details about your product. So it has the name, condition, description, and all the other settings that you want to enable before posting it in the listing of Facebook Marketplace. Once you're done providing all details about your product, simply click on the publish option at the top right corner. Once you hit the publish option at the top right corner, your item will be displayed in the listing of Facebook Marketplace. So that's it. That is how easily you can view your own product in the listing of Facebook Marketplace. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.